Today we will discuss some more examples on Wedel's rule, and this is the last class of your second module, that is numerical method. Example: evaluate integration from 0 to 1 x dx divided by 1 plus x square by Wedel's rule, taking 7 ordinates, and hence find log 2 to the base e. Here we have to apply Wedel's rule to find this integral value. After that we have to find the value of log 2 to the base e. Here we have to separate this interval 0, 1 to n equal parts. Here they are given 7 ordinates. Means 7 ordinate means what? In the procedure we know that what is the meaning of 7 ordinates. See here, 7 ordinate means that the interval 0, 1 must be divided into 6 equal parts. 7 ordinates means we have to take n minus 1 ordinates here, equal parts, that is n value is 6 here. And we know that Wedel's rule is for only when n is equal to 6. We have to take, or we have to find the value of h. Here value of h is 1 by 6. Since n is equal to 6 here, the point of division are 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 6 by 6. Your interval is 0 to 1. See, initial value is 0 and end point b will be 1 here. Therefore, x values are like this. Then the corresponding values of y is equal to x by 1 plus x square are: when x is equal to 0, y value is 0. When x is equal to 1 by 6, y value is 6 by 37. And when x is equal to 1 by 3, y value is 3 by 10. Similarly, when x is equal to 1 by 2, y is 2 by 3. And when x is equal to 2 by 3, y value is 6 by 13. When x is equal to 5 by 6, y value is 30 by 61. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 2. And this is the formula for Wedel's rule. Just substitute all the values and calculate. We get integration from 0 to 1 x divided by x plus 1 plus x square dx is equal to this one. Here also we have to find the value of log 2 to the base e. To find that, now we shall reduce the value of log 2 to the base e. Integrate theoretically the given function. This is the given function, and integrate this one. We get 1 by 2 integration from 0 to 1 2x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Just to integrate, here multiply and divide 2 here. Here 2 divided by 2, take 1 by 2 common, 2x divided by 1 plus x square. This is of the form, see here, we know the standard A to B, standard result, f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x. Here we have to use this formula here. Here just 1 by 1 plus x square. We know that x square differentiation is 2x. Therefore, just to integrate here, multiply and divide, we get 2x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Therefore, it is 1 by 2 into log e, log of 1 plus x square to the base e. Limits from 0 to 1. Just apply the limits. After the substitution, we get 1 by 2 into log 2 to the base e minus 1 by 2 into log 1 to the base e. Here log 1 value is 0. Therefore, remaining is 1 by 2 into log 2 to the base e. Since log a1 to the base e value is 0, answer is 1 by 2 into log 2 to the base e. We know that this integral value is 0.3466. Just equate here, 1 by 2 log 2 to the base e is equal to 0.3246. Just take this 2 on this side. We get log 2 value is, log 2 to the base e value is 0.6932. Similarly, another example, use Wedel's rule to compute the area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, x-axis and the extreme ordinates from the following table. Here x values are given, y values are given. Just we have to substitute the values and finding the integral value. See here area given, area A is equal to integration from 0 to 6, because here x values are 0 to 6, a value is 0, b value is 6, 0 to 6, y into dx. Here y is equal to f of x, our function is f of x. You can take y or f of x, y f of x, y dx. We have the data, y naught value means y values are given. Here n value is 6, so we have to use the Wedel's rule here, and also they mentioned that we must have to use Wedel's rule here. Just substitute the values and calculate. We get the integral value is 11.49. Thus the required area is 11.49 square units. Next example, a plane area is bounded by a curve, the x-axis and two extreme ordinates. The area is divided into 6 figures by equidistant ordinates 2 inches apart. The height of the ordinate being 21.65, 21.04, 20.35, 19.61, 18.75, 18.80 and 16.75 respectively. Find the approximate value of the area numerical by numerical integration. Here, see here n is equal to 6 and h is equal to 2, because figures by equidistant ordinates in 2 inches apart, means here h value is 2 and n value is 6. N value is 6 because here two extreme ordinates, the area is divided into 6 figures, therefore n value is 6 and y values are given here. Just apply, means just substitute these values in Wedel's rule. Here n is equal to 6, you can use any of the method. Here we are using the Wedel's rule. Integration from a to b, y into dx is equal to 3h by 10, y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3 plus y4 plus 5y5 plus y6. Substitute these values and calculate. We get the required area is 233.616 square inches. This completes your second module.